Hello everyone, and I'm highly thankful to Professor Manassar that he has provided me an opportunity to present my e-content in front of you all. So I would like to discuss on the integration of information and communication technology in teaching learning process. Means teaching is what we are delivering in the classrooms, and learning happens for both of us. Means for us as for us and for students as well. Means whatever we are teaching, whatever we are delivering, the students are learning it or grasping it or not. So we will discuss these issues as far as ICT integration is concerned. So in this ICT, the most important thing is digital information. Means whatever the information is provided from the digital means like the electronic gadgets. Maybe it may be a computer, it may be a mobile phone, it may be anything. So electronic devices, whenever are used to transmit information, that information is digital information. So we have some of the areas which are connected to the digital information, that is retrieving. Means we are retrieving some information from the web. Means that we can do. Then storing, we can store some information on the web, we can put some information on the YouTube, we can put some information in the drive, and the people who are needed, who need that information, that though they can access it. Then create means the most important thing today as far as the education sector is concerned. So we have to create information, we have to create e-content for the people who are looking for that information. Means it may be anybody, it may be the local people, it may be the public, it may be the audience, it may be the students. In our case specifically, we are teachers, so we are creating the information, we are creating the e-content for our students, and YouTube is the best medium. We are having Google Drive, we can share our PDF files, we can do it through WhatsApp also. So we can create information, and that will be transmitted to the students through the digital means. Then receiving, we are receiving some information in this FDP. We are receiving information through the digital tools from the, it may be GoToWebinar, it may be through GoToMeeting, and anything else, maybe Zoom, etc. Then sending, we are sending some information. For example, as far as this assignment is concerned, we are providing this information to some link, so putting it on the cloud, putting it on the web, and then sending it to someone else. Then as far as the teaching learning process is concerned, so we are having this technological pedagogical content knowledge, means TPAC. We should be aware of whenever we are talking about the integration of information and communication technology in teaching learning process. So we should have, the teachers should have the three types of knowledge. One is the technological knowledge, another one the content knowledge, and the pedagogical knowledge. We will discuss these three things quickly one by one. So first of all, the technological knowledge means we should have the knowledge, the teacher should have the knowledge of the technological gadgets. Means we should be aware of the tools, softwares, the hardwares, how we will transmit our information, how we will create our information, and how we will send it to our students, how we will reach the audience who are looking for the information. So that technological knowledge the teacher should have. Again, the content knowledge means the subject knowledge, whatever we are delivering. For example, I am a mathematics teacher or a computer science teacher, so I should have the command over my subject area. For example, I am teaching software engineering, so I should be very good in that particular area. Then only I can make some e-content and provide it to the audience. Another one, the pedagogical knowledge. For example, I am very good in software engineering, but I don't know how to teach it. Means if I need softwares, I need the specific tools, I need the electronic board, I know I will be looking for the whiteboard. Then how to use it effectively to transmit the information, to reach the audience, and how effectively. Means that learning, if learning will have to happen, then the teacher should have the pedagogical knowledge, that how that particular topic, how that particular subject must be taught to the students, that should be there. Means the combination of these all the things, means the technological knowledge we should have, the content knowledge we should have, and the most important thing is pedagogy, how we will teach, how we will improve the learning of the students. I may be very knowledgeable, I may have a very good knowledge over the subject, but if I'm unable to deliver it, if I'm unable to communicate my topic with the students, that all is in vain. So that should be a combination, and that is TPAC, means the technological pedagogical content knowledge. Thank you.